Hi everyone! In this video we're going to explain how to automatically load next posts when you scroll to the end of the current viewing post. Normally, when scrolling through a post and you reach to the end of it, you have to look for another one to continue reading. But it doesn't have to work like that, and you can load the next post for a user automatically, making the browsing experience much more natural. Let's open the customizer, navigate to the Posts single panel and enable the Auto Load Next Post feature. You can here define if you wish to load posts from the same category and limit the number of posts to load that way. Auto-loading is enabled, so let's scroll to the end of our post to check how new posts are loaded. New posts are loading as we're scrolling down, so all works perfect. Thank you for watching, bye bye!